Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a tax-free savings account, also known as a Tfsa, using the RBC mobile app. First, open the RBC app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on More. From there, scroll down and tap on Open an Account under the Products section. This will take you to a page where you can explore different account options. Next, scroll down and select Investments. This is where you can start the process of opening your Tfsa. Now you'll be asked how you want to invest. You'll see three main options. The first option is a hands-off approach, where professionals manage your investments for you. The second option gives you access to guidance from RBC advisors. And the third option is a fully hands-on approach, where you manage your own investments. For this example, you can choose the option to manage your own investments, but any of the options will allow you to open a Tfsa. Once you're on the next page, look for the option labeled Tax-Free Savings Account, or Tfsa, and select it by checking the box. After that, tap Continue. You'll then be guided through the next steps where you'll verify your information and complete the account setup. Make sure all your details are correct before submitting to avoid any delays. And that's it. You've successfully started the process of opening a Tfsa using the RBC mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.